Robert Fowler is a very quiet man, according to those who know him.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Viewers, 50-year-old Robert Fowler, also known as Bakra, who is originally from Waterford in Portmore, was charged with murder on Tuesday the 30th of March in relation to the killing of 20-year-old accounts clerk Canice Jackson, who he allegedly strangled with a piece of rope, hid her body inside his Christian Gardens Portmore house, went to work, then returned home and later disposed of the body. So quiet and soft-spoken is Bakra, you have to strain to hear when he speaks, this according to neighbors, who added that him quiet in the community. Him not talk more than so. Him never in no altercations or arguments with anybody. Information suggests that Fowler at one point in his life was also a taxi driver, but has been a career mechanic, and was said to be employed to D&B Bowler Auto Repairs in Crossroads for nearly a decade now, where he specializes in fixing BMWs. Prior to that, he worked at a garage in Richmond Park, St. Andrew, and would also work on vehicles by Elliston Road Police Station. It is believed that he once lived in that area. Fowler is reportedly a father of two daughters, ages 16 and 10, and a son. He is said to have been in a 15-year common-law relationship, along with another close to 5 years. He will appear before the court on April 9, where he will answer to the charge of murder.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!